Isaiah warming himself up for his push-ups. You gotta stretch.
Well, as long as I don't have to see a spider.
Look.
And he's getting ready. Alright, Zaya. 1, 2.
Mr. Skinnylegs is not in the filing cabinet.
What happened? Are you gonna do more?
Skinnylegs is not under the chair. Mr.
Gotta pick your
Skinnylegs
knees
is
up.
not on the table.
Pick your knees up. Remember? Yeah, like that. Easier.
Yeah.
1.
3, 5,
No more, Zaya? Hi, Maya. We see you, Maya. You little camera hog. 1,
It is starting to
2,
Mr. Skinnylegs
3, 4.
Climbing up the water spout.
5. Okay, good job. High five. Good job.